Today, the kitchen is more than just a place to cook. It's the heart of the home. It's a place for intimate moments and entertaining friends and family. Hidden from view ceiling speakers and color-tunable lighting scenes bring audio and atmosphere into your kitchen. But up until now, if you wanted a ceiling speaker multi-room system or human-centric lighting, the installation and interoperability would be complicated and costly, needing specialist light switches, expert installers, endless cables, amplifiers and racks, all taking up valuable space. That's why we created ZUMA, an invisible downlighting ceiling speaker with incredible light and sound. It fits just like a downlight, making it clean, unobtrusive, and very easy. Your money isn't spent on complex installation costs and your kitchen stays clutter-free. As well as being easy to install, ZUMA has 𝗏𝗍 premium art gallery quality light engine. It means your kitchen and everything in it looks its absolute best. And the circadian rhythm features promote well-being, improve energy levels, and your sleep patterns. Crafted by some of the world's finest acoustic engineers, ZUMA is an immersive, high-fidelity audio experience with lossless multi-room Wi-Fi control. ZUMA is also future-proof, with our LED lights lasting 12 to 15 years. There's no bulbs to change, and is IP65 rated. With our retrofit system, as new technology develops, adding new smart features, such as voice control, is as simple as this. The ZUMA app is intuitive and simple to use, so connecting all your favorite streaming services is a breeze. It can even be fitted throughout the whole house, integrating with your existing light switches and sound systems that you already have. ZUMA replaces obtrusive speakers and downlights, and because the installation is so straightforward, get a better experience. All benefits that have led to ZUMA being called. ZUMA is easy, clutter-free, beautiful sound and light, so you really can enjoy the most important room in the house effortlessly. ZUMA. Not smart, brilliant.